Neck injuries and disorders. Introduction. Which bones are attached to the neck muscles? Choose one of the following options. 1. The skull. 2. The spine. 3. The shoulders. 4. All of the above. Correct. Joel has been experiencing neck pain, especially when he moves his neck in certain ways. He has also been having headaches and gets dizzy from time to time. Should Joel contact his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Pain, headaches, and dizziness may be signs of a problem. Joel should see his healthcare provider right away. Car accidents are the main cause of whiplash. Select true or false. Correct. Car accidents are the most common cause of whiplash, especially rear-end collisions. These types of car accidents cause the head to be thrown backward and then forward suddenly, causing injury. A cervical fracture could result in paralysis. Select true or false. Correct. If the vertebrae are injured, the spinal cord could also be injured. This can be life-threatening. It could cause temporary or permanent paralysis from the neck down. Do all people with arthritis in the neck have symptoms? Select yes or no. Correct. Most people over age 60 have neck arthritis that is often painless. Does a herniated disc always require surgical treatment? Select yes or no. Correct. Many people can be successfully treated with non-surgical treatments. Surgery may be needed for more severe cases or if non-surgical treatments do not help. Thank you for using Explain.